Guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, this is Yamin's Beautiful. We're all about skincare. Yes, guys, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. But please do well to hit that subscription button and the bell icon. Yes, don't forget to thumbs up. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below and I'll reply. If you have ideas on any video you would like to see me put up, just also drop it in the comment section. So guys, on today's video we're going to be talking about how to get crystal clear glass skin with 3 home ingredients. Yes guys, watch this video to end. Don't skip anything so that you not miss out the tips and tricks on how to get crystal glowing skin with just these 3 home ingredients. How to get crystal clear glass skin with 3 home ingredients. Yes, you don't need to go using chemical products, though they have products that do that, but this one I'm talking about natural home ingredients, things you get in your kitchen, from your kitchen, things that are edible. So look at my skin, it's flawless. I'm not using any makeup. You say filter, well, if you say filter, but look at this skin. See, you can see that I have this. So why didn't the filter take it off? Yeah. Okay, guys. So if you take care of your skin, you will love your skin. You might not need to spend so much money on expensive products that promises you beautiful skin. Yeah, you can get beautiful skin from home. Yeah, you don't need to spend so much money. So on this video, I'm going to be using 3 home ingredients. Yeah. I had somebody talk to me, tell me that, what you are showing us is are you sure that's actually what you use? Yes, guys. I won't tell you I don't use some chemical product, but most of my skincare products, most of the things I do are with natural products. Yes, natural. Seriously, I don't lack honey in my house. I don't like turmeric. I don't like baking soda. There's so many things I have in my house. Seriously, if you come to my kitchen, you come to my room, you see most of these things. You'll just be wondering what's she using it for. It's for my skin. Yes. So for those doubting Thomas, sometimes when you hear things on social media or YouTube, whatever, you need to make research. Don't just swallow it or don't just doubt it. Make research on this product or this ingredient. Are they actually true? Are they actually true? Does it work? You need to find out. You don't just it's not true. It's not true. Okay, so let's get into the video. I want to continue non-stop. Okay, so for you to get this crystal clear glass skin using this home pro, we're using just three home ingredients. Yes. Okay. The first one will be tomatoes. Yes, tomatoes. I have one here. I'm going to be practicalizing this for you to see. Tomatoes. This tomatoes. Okay. Tomatoes are very high in vitamin C, vitamin A, and citric acid. Yes, very high. Just like oranges that are high in vitamin C and citric acid. But this one is like oranges. There's some skin, like sensitive skin, that some people might react to it. Yeah, have some reaction using. Some people react using the orange, yeah, but tomatoes you will not react to this. It's milder. Yeah, the citric acid is good, but it's your skin. For those that have sensitive skin, this will not give you any reaction. Yeah. They're high in vitamin C, vitamin A, and citric acid. They help in drying up your blackheads. This is one very good home ingredient that is very good for blackhead. This is a blackhead remedy, but we are going to use it for this crystal clear glass skin, mede. Okay, so that's that for tomatoes. Is one of the ingredients we're going to be using. Then the next one will be turmeric. Turmeric is an exfoliating agent. It gives your skin glowing skin. Okay, this is mine. A friend of mine did this for me. Yeah, she's into production of turmeric, ginger, garlic. Okay, this is pure. It didn't mix any other thing. This is turmeric. She dried it and she actually plants this. Seriously, she plants it. So I bought it like this from her. This is not from the market, so I'm sure of this, that this is actually turmeric. Yeah. So it lightens facial hair. I have a lot of facial hair. Yeah, this helps me a lot. Sometimes it goes unnoticeable. You might not even notice that I have facial hair, but if you come very close, you'll see it. Yeah, seriously. Okay, so it also cures acne. See me, I say I have one here. I'm going to use it to help treat it and also lighten any dark spots. I used to have one here. It's clearing up, or it's cleared up. Okay, so that's it. It also brightens dull skin. For those of you that have dull skin, turmeric is good for the skin too. Then the next one will be honey. Oh, I ran out of my honey. It's remaining little. Honey is sweet, unadulterated honey. I did a video on how to know original honey. Yep. So you can see my honey. See this big container of honey. Yeah. Um, I ran out of it. I have to look for another one. Source for another one. Okay. Honey is very good. It lightens dark spots. It evens out your overall skin tone. Yeah. It hydrates your skin. It also makes it look plump and younger. It tightens your skin. Yeah. It makes it look very young, very youthful. Yeah, it helps out with wrinkles on your face. Yes, so for this mask, this home remedy mask I want to do, you can use it. Don't use it every day, guys. I didn't say use it every day. Oh my god, I didn't do it. Don't use it every day. You can use it 2 or 3 times a week, but not every day. Remember, turmeric. Turmeric can stain your fingers, it can stain your face, can stain your skin if you leave it for too long. So I wouldn't advise you using this every day. 2 or 3 times a week is okay. Don't leave it overnight on your skin. I didn't tell you to. Okay, yes, you could use this every day because it's really good. It's mild. It also helps with this under eye darkness or bags here. It's good. You can refrigerate it, make it chill, and then use it and rub, or anywhere you have black. It's also good for what they call it, melasma. It's good for sunburn, a lot, a lot. This video is going to be too long if I keep going on and on. Okay. And then, do you know, if you use this mask, if you continue with what I'm going to show you, you do it. For those of you that want to lighten your skin naturally, I don't mean chemical light. I didn't say bleaching. Lighting is different from whitening. You want to lighten your skin out. If you use this mask I'm going to show you how to make, for 4 weeks, up to 4 weeks, you will see that your skin tone will be lighter. I didn't say white, I didn't say bleach, I say lighter. So guys, watch me how I do this on my face. Ensure that your face is clean. Yeah, I've already washed my face. And I forgot to tell you, this mask I'm about to make is also good for dark armpits. Yes, you can use it for dark armpits. After shaving, you can use that as your mask for dark armpit. It works. It will clear out your dark armpits. Yes. So watch this video. So what I'll be doing is, this is my knife. Everything is clean. My tomatoes is clean. So I'm going to be cutting it because I'm just using it for my face. I'm just going to be cutting it like this. Yes. I don't want to crush it this the way I want to do it, but you see what I did. Okay. Oh. But if you want, you can juice it out or grate it, get the juice, put your turmeric, put your honey, but I want to use it like this. Yeah, so I've cut it out the quantity I want. Then this is my turmeric. So I'll be going with just a tiny drop and see that. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, that's it. Please remember to cover your turmeric so that. Then I'll be going in with my honey. Oh my new. My honey is I'm almost out of honey. Oh. So you can see that I've been rubbing this for the past 5 minutes. Alright, this will get off my hand. I'll just wash it off immediately. Just keep going on and on. It helps to give glowing skin. You can do it on your neck. Mm. And just wait for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse it off. Yes, so that's it, guys. This um face mask is going to give you glowing, crystal clear glowing skin. Yes, face will be green, glass, crystal glass. Yes, guys, your face will be crystal clear glass skin. Okay, so let me go wash it off. This is almost 7 minutes. Let me go wash it off and I'll be right back. You see the end result. You can see it. I've washed it. Hope you can see how my skin is. If you do this 3 times a week, then you will love your skin. See? So guys, if you have any questions, you have any comments concerning this video, remember to drop it in the comment section below. Yes, this mask is not harmful to your skin. You can see they are all natural ingredients, but the only thing with one of the ingredients, which is turmeric, is that it's staining to the skin if you keep it for too long. But you can see mine, it didn't stain my skin, it only made my skin lighter. So that's that. What else do I need to say? Okay guys, so just so that this video will not be too long, I have to go right now. Yes, remember to subscribe for those of you that haven't, my skincare lovers, my subscribers. Subscribe, please. Remember to thumbs up, and that bell icon down there, just click on it so that anytime I put up a new video, you'll be notified. See you. Keep watching and keep supporting your girl. Bye.